Hello YouTube! Quick release plates. If you've been looking for one, I'm sure you've been looking at the Peak Design plates and all their accessories, and you might have also seen the Ulanzi system, the Yuka system, with their release plate. They're both kinda similar, but not really. And this is why I'm making this video. Thing is, the Peak Design mount will fit a Yuka mount with no problem. It will get in without problem. But as you can see, the Yuka, it's got the button here, and when you're placing something inside, the button jumps all the way out. And with the Peak Design plate, when you're trying to mount it into the Yuka, the button doesn't go all the way out, which is why I used a file to take some of the plate from the front, so it will fit better, but it's a janky way of doing it. And then you got the Yuka plate, which first of all, it doesn't have the holes in the corners, which means that you can put the strap through the plate. And secondly, on the back it doesn't have the same configuration as the Peak Design one, so it will fit the Peak Design strap mount barely. You really need to push it in, but it just simply won't lock with the Peak Design at all. So didn't give me any confidence using the Yuka plate with my camera because it doesn't lock. But then I seen another plate from Bexin. This is how you spell Bexin. I bought it from Temu for really cheap. Actually bought it for this quick release thingamajiggy. But they sent it to me without the quarter mount adapter, so never mind. But I'm not upset at all because it turns out that the Bexin plate, which is currently mounted on my camera, fits perfectly. It does come with the tools-free screw, unlike the Peak Design that you need to use an Allen wrench, so it's easier if you want to remove it for some reason. It does have the same configuration as the Peak Design, which means that it will lock on the Peak Design strap mount that I already own. And for some reason, the Yuka system, it's lower on the lip and higher on the top, and the Peak Design is just a tiny bit lower, but the lip itself is higher. I don't know, but anyways, the Bexin one, it just seems to lock perfectly on the Peak Design, and actually it fits the Peak Design strap mount better than the Peak Design plate. The Peak Design plate on the Peak Design strap mount would jiggle around, and it's kind of annoying when you're walking around in a forest and this thing will go ding 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 and drives you nuts. The Bexin actually fits snugly and doesn't rattle at all, and as I said, it locks. And to top it all off, it's as if it's not enough, it will fit the Yuka system, the Yuka mount, with no problem at all. And I can't do it with one hand. It's freaking annoying. Anyways, just trust me, it does fit. And also, if we're talking about the Yuka, as you can see, this thing, when it comes from the factory, it's like a closed square like this one, but because of that I couldn't use my straps on the plate, so I just used the file to remove the corners. The mount itself is made out of a glass reinforced plastic, so it's plenty sturdy. And now I've got a plate that fits snugly, locks perfectly. As you can see, I can pick the entire tripod with my camera. It fits my strap mount. It fits everything. So, yep. If you're trying to mix between the Ulanzi Yuka system and between the Peak Design system, just get yourself a Bexin plate and That solves everything, basically. It fits both. No hassle, no fuss, no muss, no need for grinding. Hope it helped you. Bye, YouTube.